The Lebowski Bar in Iceland offers a White Russian menu review 2018. If you find yourself in Iceland and you enjoy the movie The Big Lebowski, you are in for a royal treat. Named for the Coen brothers, film released in 1998 titled The Big Lebowski. You'll find that the cult following it developed made its way to the bar scene in Reykjavik, Iceland. If you know the movie, which is not a prerequisite for fun, you'll appreciate the way this bar is set up. A look inside the Lebowski Bar in Reykjavik. A walk in through the front door lets you enter a world of the dude. As a bar with a bowling theme, which of course is the Big Lebowski's game of choice, you'll find a burger joint, a bar, a restaurant, and in the back, a dance floor. Rumor has it the bar was made possible by American architects to effectively capture the joy of the cult sensation movie. You'll find that once in the door, you are immersed into a subculture that only true fans will appreciate, but that everyone will enjoy. A bowling alley, complete with scoring system and pins, is somehow hanging on the wall to your right. Under the alley, a few diner-style tables are there for the lucky few who claim them. Directly across from that is a bar, which is very busy and hard to get to, especially on a raging Saturday night. There is movie paraphernalia and references in every nook and cranny, other than the stairs, of course, which are littered with wallpaper made up of Playboy magazine covers. When you pass the bar and make your way straight back, you pass the epic stairs. If you aren't turned on by the Playboy covers, find your way to Bear 2, which is in front of another busy area where you can sit down and enjoy your beverages. If you feel like you want to avoid the busy bar too and don't feel like sitting, make your way directly back and in yet another room, you'll find a dance floor. I witnessed people dancing from all walks of life. Asians and American tourists along with local Vikings. The floor was full of people who don't know how to dance, yet somehow just make it work. The upstairs is said to have the Tree Horn Lounge, but when I was there, it was reserved for a private event. I never got to see it. I don't normally drink White Russians, but in this bar, I just had to. When in Rome, act as the Romans do. When in the dude's bar, have a fucking White Russian. You'll be impressed that they made over 30 type of these cocktails, which are all on the wall on a menu you can barely see. When I was there, a large local Viking-looking guy was draped over it, and I couldn't make out any of the ingredients of the special versions, so I just went with the original. From every nook, cranny, and open space on the all, you'll find pure comedy gold in knowing that every aspect is themed perfectly to the movie. And, well, like they say in the movie, sometimes you eat the bar and sometimes the bar eats you.